What you don't want South Africans to go through in other countries, don't ever wish it for anybody in that your country. The stupidity of these South Africans, they want to pretend and act as if we are all stupid. If you decide to retaliate, do you think your people will survive? Because you are lazy, you don't travel. Because you are lazy, you don't want to learn. Because you are lazy, you don't want to open your horizon to understand how the world works. Most of you are foolish. I have lived among you people, and you live like dogs in small sheds. These Africans coming to South Africa are the people who basically brought civilization to you black South Africans. The Nigerians, the Ghanaians, the Mozambicans, the Zimbabweans, people from other parts of Africa, they brought civilization to you people. You sit in South Africa and these whites treat you like antelopes. And you come and tell us Ubuntu. Fuck the Ubuntu. You have no intelligence to lead any black South African. You think this is politics as usual? You think this is what you can use to win political points? We are talking about a government that is empowering foolish people to go after their fellow Africans. Nelson Mandela came to Ghana begging like a child because he needed money to go fight for an election for the ANC to win power. For you black South Africans to be seen as humans, not to be shot at like dogs. Today you want to prove that you are intelligent than anybody. We are the ones who made you who you are today. The liberty and freedom and that thing you are enjoying in South Africa was because of us. Because if Mandela had not won that election, you dogs would be in the plantations working like dogs. You need to reason up. This is 2026, nigga. You cannot pretend and you people acting like we don't know what is going on in there. The foolishness is getting out of hand. Sit down and analyze issues. Don't politicize matters. Let your government know they have failed Africa.
Are you seriously kidding me? You know, Ghanaians, you have become an embarrassment, not only to Africa, but to the world, with all this rubbish that you guys are spitting out of your dirty mouth. That is the truth. So you are saying that Nigeria and Ghana brought civilization to South Africa. You see, I'm laughing in Chinese. You're an idiot to say that. That's the truth. Now, you brought civilization to South Africa. There is no civilization in your country. Nigerians brought civilization to South Africa. Do you see what Nigerians look like? They are being flogged and being slaughtered like a chicken. You know, the flogging, that flogging part, me, I support it. Because, you know, all these people, they deserve that flogging so that their brain can start functioning. But look at the way they are slaughtering them. Children are being kidnapped. Teachers are being beheaded. And you say that those same set of people brought civilization to South Africans. Both of you are stupid, both Ghana and Nigerians. You know, the craze, you guys are stupid. That is the truth. Look at you people. Ghanaians, you guys, you should be ashamed of yourself. Nigerians are still in your country, beating your mothers, sleeping with your mothers, and yet you could not do anything about it. They brought their kingship to your country. You failed to eradicate them from your country. That guy is still sitting there. He is even more popular than your chiefs and your kings. Yet you fail to do anything about it. But when it comes to South Africa, you all of a sudden you develop muscles, you can speak good English, and all sort of nonsense. You guys should be ashamed of yourself. Look at the way you fled South Africa like antelopes, running away from the Zulus. And you call yourself men. You are so afraid of Nigerians that you could not even handle them. You could not control what they do in your country. Look at the way they are shipping prostitutes into your country. And who are the people sleeping with those prostitutes? Your fathers. They crawl out of the bed like Spider-Man in the night to go and have fun. That is the reason why your government has failed to do anything about that. And then you come here to insult South Africans, to call them dog. You are the dogs. That is the truth. You see, South Africans have South Africa. It doesn't matter how this country was built. Their forefathers fought and handed over this country back to them. South Africans are better than you people. 100 years to come, you will be nothing close to them. That is the truth. Use the same energy you are using to speak that your stupid fake grammar. Use it to fix Ghana. Use it to fix your country. Fight Nigerians in your country that are violating your women, that are violating your laws. Fight them. You guys are coward. You are afraid of Nigerians. That is the reason why you have failed in expelling them out of your country. That is why you have failed in expelling that Igbo king. What South Africans have succeeded in doing, you have failed in doing that. So use all those energy to do all those nonsense. You brought civilization to South Africa, but yet your country is not civilized. You brought development to South Africa, but your country is underdeveloped. Are you not ashamed to even say that kind of rubbish? That means that you people, you have what they call intelligence deficiency in your brain. That's the truth. All you do is to speak English day and night. South Africans, they don't speak English. They act. They don't use their mouth. They use their strength as a man. Nonsense of Africa. Idiots.